looking garage. First time I met a wolf in person. At first I thought it was a dog. I tried to dodge him, he was faster than I'd ever had to be. He smiled and howled in the same moment. It knocked the wind right out of me. Though I got away, I never walked the same. Now I bury my smile and show no interest. Now I carry myself a little different. Now I avoid the woods. Now I know the wolves. I was 19, still fun at parties. He plied me with shot after shot. He assured me he was harmless. Why did I ever trust a fox? I ignored all of my teachings. How I survived I can't believe. I almost let him get his claws in. Still knocks the wind right out of me. Though I got away, I never walked the same. Now I bury my smile and show no interest. Now I carry myself a little different. Now I avoid the woods. Now I know the wolves. Saw a teenage girl on my street, talking tall to one of them. Recognized him in an instant. Heard about him from my friends. Thank God women learn to whisper. But I crave a megaphone. That wolf said it's dangerous out there. That wolf said let me walk you home. Now I bury my smile and show no interest.